Just do an update. I'm emptying out the pond. The outside protection plastic seems to be catching a fair bit of it, but it is still getting out. Just in places where the plastic's low, there's already 2 there. I've got another 3 that I'm putting in. Most of the plants are already out. You can see how that old sink, it's got a hole in right near the plug hole, so it's no good, so that's why it's out here. Stainless sink. That squarish pot, there's 2 bigger versions that are upside down under that have got holes cut in them, near the bottom and near the top. Every now and again you'll see fish racing around. That pot there, the big pot, big round one, that's got shade cloth, fishing line strung across it and then shade cloth dangling into it. There's the upside down versions of that are underneath of where those 2 long pots are. Still got to take that and that out, and then that's the last of the plants. Then I'll take out these, the seat that's got the shade cloth over it, and the 2 stands. There's yabbies climbing over them at the moment because I've taken the other plants out. What I've got is, see, this pool's a best way pool. It's pretty good quality. I'm surprised, well, how it got punctured, no pool is going to go through that. A crowbar through the bottom sort of doesn't go well, but I'll get into that now. This pool is a cheaper version. It was about 130 bucks, but as I say, it's cheaper and the quality isn't as good as a best way. So this one is my emergency pool that I use when I need to get everything out of in here in a hurry. So when these are a lot of the plants and stuff, as well as this is where I'm going to be putting the jennies, all of the females that are buried at the moment with eggs, because there's a lot of them. I've got a couple of these that I'll probably put a few yabbies into each of these with some yabby homes, the PVC pipe, keep them happy. I'll put all of the females probably into as many of these, depending how many it takes as far as these small ones go. And the fish into here. I'm also noticing even the goldfish, apart from the growth speed for the golden perch and the silver perch, Murray cod. I don't know about the barramundi, I haven't seen them that often. But even the goldfish, the growth rate with those. I've got a pond over in that area where fish that are the same age are literally 2/3, 3/4 the size of the goldfish that are in here. So what I'm thinking is I might even transport, there's so much room. It won't hurt for another dozen goldfish to go in here, just to grow them out a bit quicker. Because the ones that are in here, where are they? Down there is a nice big old yabby, but I don't know if you can see him or not. There's a goldfish. Now look at the size of those. nice and fat. So, you know, they're growing well. And like I say, the other ones are half as wide and say, like I say, 2/3 to 3/4 size of these ones. As it is, there's probably about 8 or 10 goldfish in here now. They've been in here since probably April. I think they were about the first fish to go in here actually. There's some brownish coloured ones, and actually a golden perch is swimming with them. There's a few down there. Yabbies are all over the place, big ones as usual. One I call Sumo, he's over there just up near the top in those plants. He's a big purpley blue male, and he's always hanging around for food. He has ever since just after I first got him. He learnt to climb up the mesh, and I'd sprinkle food down for him and he'd just sit there and grab it. I don't know if you can see, probably not. There, I don't think there's any big ones. See, they pass down through that, pass up and down through it to access the plants and stuff here. A lot of the silver perch are in the middle at the moment. As it gets down, I will add a bit of video to it, but this is the stage I am at the moment, or where I'm at the moment. I expect to have this one almost emptied by tonight. Hopefully I might even get it out and packed up, and tomorrow we'll be getting the other one in and reset back up again. But I'm going to keep the filter going for as long as I can, so that just to clean this water as I transfer it over into the other one. And yeah, so the first thing first is get all of these out and start getting the yabby homes out and sorting out the ones that have got eggs and putting them separately. Alrighty guys, have a good one. I'll update you later. Bye.